since the last video came out of the Ford Fiesta, I've had a little bit of work done to the car since then. So the water pump's been done on the car and the cam belt as well. They've both been sorted out on the car because I'm keeping it long term. I've still got a few small little niggly bits that I need to sort out before the car is perfect. Managed to detail the bonnet and the bumper. I think I did this side as well a little bit, but I didn't get a chance to do the roof. So all of this in here, I want to go ahead and take that off, and then we're going to go over to the car cleaners and drop the car off. So we got some washing up liquid. Pour that all over the areas that I'm going to be trying to sort out. I've got a fine grit non-abrasive nylon pad, and this should just take the paint off. This should go ahead and take the issue off. Most of the little speckles are off. I'm gonna head out to drop the car off because obviously I've run out of time today and we need to go ahead and get the car sorted out on the interior. That is my primary issue with the car right now. The interior is not fit for purpose. That is what the seats look like. They're not amazing, but they're definitely not clean. I wouldn't call these seats clean. Generally, the car is not the dirtiest. If you're looking at the roof of the car, that needs a good clean. Boot of the car, interior, I've got all the trim pieces that I took out. If you look at the carpet in here, the back here, you've actually got a little bit of mold in the carpet. I'm super excited about getting the car clean, getting the interior all sorted out, finally sorted out, because once the interior is all sorted out, then I go ahead and whack the new carpets in, whack the new insulation in.